Yo, YouTube. Too close. I'm about to start a new project. Well, actually continue a project, which is working on this dragon. Weather has been hell on it. Let me turn the camera around. Turn the camera around. This weather, the snow and rain and cold weather here in Wisconsin has been hell on the dragon. Although considering we've had 50-mile-per-hour winds, I think they've held up pretty good. As you can see, this left wing is misshapen, and then there's parts hanging, and then as you can see, the right wing has totally shifted forward. I think what I'm gonna have to do is cut both wings off, put new wings on where I reinforce it in a manner that it holds to the pole, the 15-foot pole that's keeping them upright, to make sure that they stay in the right place, and then recover it, reskin it. And after that, then I can start the process of adding more detail to the dragon, and I'll have continuous episodes of that progress. So if you're interested in how all of this was created, you could check out some of the earlier videos that I posted, and then you could also tune in to see how I fix this and make this dragon more fierce. But anyway, thank you for stopping in, and like I said, if you're interested, keep tuning in.